Hey guys, just wanted to give you a closer look at this EPOMAKER P75. This is a 75% mechanical keyboard that I've been using for the past month, and I've been extremely happy with it. Inside of the box, you get the keyboard itself, you get a switch and keycap puller tool, a little Allen wrench, some extra keycaps, and some extra switches as well. You also get a nice USB-C, USB-A cable. This keyboard supports 3 different types of connections. So you can either plug in the USB-C cable here, or you can pull out this little dongle and plug that into your USB port on your computer for a 2.4 gigahertz connection, or you can use Bluetooth as well. This keyboard is simply amazing. I love the all aluminum enclosure with the EPOMAKER logo on the back. It does have 4 little rubber feet that keep it nice and still. The case is remarkable. This aluminum is very high quality, super heavy duty feeling, very, very solid. This uses the Wisteria switches, so you get a nice tactile feel. It has a great sound and a great effect when you're typing on it. The LED effects are also very nice. Really cool lighting on this thing. On the top corner here, you have this multimedia knob, so you can adjust the volume and control your music. It even allows you to push down on it. Overall, I'm really happy with this keyboard. It works really well. The connection is very stable. The battery life is phenomenal. I have not needed to charge it once, and I'm using it exclusively as a wireless keyboard. If you're looking for a nice mechanical keyboard, definitely go with the EPOMAKER P75.